The Student Startup Accelerator program takes high school students with a new business idea and teaches them how to develop that into a real business. The program is responding to the need to foster and develop entrepreneurial skills in students. In particular, problem solving, getting customer feedback, focus on results and being resourceful with what you've got.
Being an entrepreneur means being able to create your own businesses and be dynamic and see that there's a problem in the world and fix it.
The unique thing about the Student Startup program is that students from Year 7 right through to Year 12 have an opportunity at a really young age to launch a business idea, work with CEOs and mentors, and it may be the first of many entrepreneur programs, but the tech school provides that opportunity for them to do it while they're actually at school.
The program was delivered over 5 workshops and students were taken through the Lean Startup methodology. Students are really encouraged to identify who their target market is, what their problem is, and what are possible solutions that they could provide to that market.
The 5 days are focused on different things, from developing a minimum viable product to getting a market, and in between those days, because they've been separated by whole weeks, we've actually had time to go home and integrate what we've learnt from each of these sessions.
The first sort of week we've been digging deep into our problems, finding a target audience, looking into what might be involved in making that product, and then in the following weeks we've been looking into marketing, and then we've been designing and making a minimal viable product.
I'm starting a streetwear line. The fashion industry is obviously fairly saturated, so we have to have some sort of point of difference, which would be our sort of customer service and the personal experience that our customers have with our brand.
It's good to know that it's not just some school assignment that you're given a week to do and then hand it in and then you don't do anything with it after. It's actually something that you build over time.
I came to the program with this idea of a note-taking app called Noterist, and it had many features. I was planning to put a glossary in it, a card storage app, I was going to have a study sheet. Through this program I've realised that there's one part of my program that solves an issue that many people have, the card storage situation. So I've really focused in on that.
The program is tailored so it doesn't matter whether your idea is a technical idea or you're developing new clothing range. Mentors are matched to suit you and help you with the idea that you really need support on so that you can actually launch your business out there in the real world.
At the end of the 5 workshop program, students were asked to pitch their business idea to a live audience. Students were encouraged to communicate what the problem was they found, the solution that they had created to the problem, and any initial feedback that they had got from their customers. Students asked the audience for either investment to become a customer, or for maybe some additional support with skills and services that they can provide or bring to those businesses.
I feel very grateful for the experience. It was really good to share what we've been working on over the past 5 weeks with a big audience tonight and pitching our business ideas.
So at this point, it's just pure excitement, pretty much. We've all got investment now.
We've said to the students that it might not actually be this business that you become really successful with. It might be the second or the third, but with the skills that we've taught you, you'll be able to apply that to any businesses or any even job that you end up doing in the future.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I said to a couple of the mentors that I learnt more in 5 weeks than I did in my 12 years of schooling. It's really like specific information that's really relevant to us. So if you're interested in business, there's not really any better program around.